I am Skyie, your trusted eye in the sky, built to inspect and protect. My 4K camera with 60x zooms moves in all directions. It's controlled remotely and is stable, capturing every important detail. Watch my unfolded arms, getting ready to fly and begin my work. I lift off very smoothly, raising into the air and ready to inspect. First, I zoom in on the bolts of side panels. I check for any rust or damage. Nothing escapes my view. I fly over the plant, scanning everything from top to bottom, looking for any sign of wear. Now, I focus on the roof. I check for crack or damage to stop any leaks before rain comes. It's an important job for plant safety. I carefully inspect the air intake and roof's fiber sheet. I give maintenance team the data they need to keep these things running smoothly. Next, let's move to the solar panel, making sure that they are placed correctly and checking for any cracks or weathering. I am Skyie. I do more than just fly. I give you the information you need to keep your plant safe and working well. Every bolt, every panel, every detail. I see it all.